It's a long way around Finger Lake. Well, you can go around the lake if you want, but I think I'll just skip it.
Aww. You're not really gonna skip the lake, are you, Coco?
Oh, yeah. She's really gonna skip it. Better hold on.
Wow! Yippee! It's just like skipping stones.
Hey, Axel! What are you waiting for? Be right there.
Are you sure? The package is pretty heavy, Axel.
I've done the skipperino 1,000 times, and that was before I got whammy wheels. Looks like you still got it, Axel, even if you are a little slower. Let's see who's slower in the dunes.
I think I know where Axel is. Hi, Axel.
Oh, hey, guys.
You need some help?
Nope, I'm just adding some cool new stuff to my truck, all by myself. Like whammy wheels. Wow-wee! They make sure my truck never gets stuck.
Ooh!
But wait, there's more. Get ready to be amazed by the Faster Blasters. For those deliveries that need that extra blast of speed. And when we finished our Pikwik delivery and it's time to celebrate, do it in style with the confetti cannon!
Wow! Your truck was awesome before, but now it's...
Excellent! Hip, hip, hooray! There's a package on the way!
Whoa! Muddy Marsh looks so mucky.
I know, isn't it great? Look out! Don't want to get the package muddy.
I'll hold it, Tibor.
Thanks, Hazel. Woo-wee! Great driving, Axel. Thanks. Hi, Carter. Happy Mud Day.
I would be happy if I checked my tires before my buggy ride. They're a little too old and leaky for Muddy Marsh, and now I'm stuck.
Don't worry. I could pull you out with my winch. Just have to hook you up, then reel in the cable and pull you right up out of the muck.
Yay!
Woohoo! Yeah!
Thanks, Axel. Bye, Pikwik Pack.
Bye, Carter! Lucky for Carter we came by, or he'd be stuck there forever. He should really take better care of his buggy.
The jumbly jungle is easy peasy so far.
Uh-oh! Slimy Swamp is straight ahead! Axel, are you sure you can get through this? My truck can go through anything! Whoa! Uh-oh!
Do you need a push, Axel? Oh, maybe that's my talent. Maybe I'm good at pushing.
That's okay, Hazel. My truck can pull itself out. With my winch cable. Who wants to go and anchor this hook to something solid?
I will. Let's see if rock hopping is my special talent.
Go, Hazel! Go, Hazel! Go, Hazel!
Whoa! Oh no, I'm out of hopping rocks. I'll have to go through the slime.
Hey, Suki, you're really good at throwing. Why don't you use your special talent?
That's a great idea, Tibor. Oh, thanks, Suki.
Yay!
Way to go, Suki.
Thanks, Hazel. I just pretended I was shooting a basketball.
And we're back on track.
Woohoo!
Do
the tag will shine when it's Pikwik check-in time.
Right. We have to get this package to Mount Freezy before the sun goes down.
Let's go, Pikwik Pack!
Look at all that track going around and around. We can go straight up by switching from train to truck.
That's a lot of snow.
We'll be fine, Tibor. Watch. Maybe if we get some of the snow out of the way. There's too much ice under the snow. Now it's even more slippery.
You can do it, Axel. Switch back to train mode. Don't spin the wheels. Try slow and steady.
I think we need someone who knows trains to get us to the top. Tibor?
Really? You mean it?
Absolutely.
Clickety-clack, this truck train's on track.
We're here! We made it! Thanks to you, Tibor.
Thanks for getting us to the top.
No problem. Thanks for letting me drive your awesome truck train.
Thanks, Tibor.
No problem, Axel.
Hazel, can you roll this wheel over to the corner with that other stuff?
Sure thing, Axel. Ta-da! Are you gonna throw all this stuff away?
Throw it away? Nah, that's my keeper pile.
Your keeper pile?
Yeah, for old parts that I keep, in case I need them someday.
Even this old whammy wheel? You already have lots of spare tires for your truck.
And it's getting pretty crowded in here.
Well, I might not use it on my truck. Maybe I'll need an old, worn-out, gigantic tire for something else.
Like what?
Well, for example, it's big and round and grippy. I could use it for... Well, maybe I could put it... it would probably fit, Fine, I'll throw it away.
What can I do to help?
You can put the spare tire away. I always bring an extra tire in the trunk, in case one of these gets a hole in it.
You got it, Axel. Where's the tire?
Over there. I just filled it with air. Can you put it away, please?
Put it away! You got it, Axel. Put it away!
Hazel, can you grab my wrench? I can't reach it.
Oh, I'll get it. Here you go. Hey, guys, we're here with the package. Is your truck ready to go, Axel?
I think so. Did you put away the tire, Hazel?
Sure did.
Then we're all set. Let's get in gear. Oh no, the winch is jammed. We're stuck.
We came so close, and now we can't make the delivery.
If I'd only finished oiling my winch before we left. Sorry, everybody.
Maybe you could still fix it.
Let's see. I need something slippery. What have we got?
Tibor still got mud behind his ear from Muddy Marsh.
Huh? It's all dried up.
Look out, Axel!
Hi, Telly. What happened?
Oh, this road is so twisty and bendy. All my recyclables fell out. Now I have to pick everything up and sort it back into the proper bins.
Don't worry. We'll help you put things away and clear the road.
Oh, thanks, Pikwik Pack.
Hazel, wait! Aren't we putting things away?
Yes, but we have to put them away in the right places. If the waste isn't sorted, it can't be recycled. And then it has to be thrown into the garbage. We should probably start over.
Come on, Hazel, you can do this. Paper in the paper bin. See? It's fun.
Soup can. That goes in the can bin.
Glass jar, glass bin.
Great job, guys. Hazel, your turn.
Cans go with cans. Glass with glass. Paper with paper. Hooray! You did it, Hazel! You were right. This is fun.
Thanks for all your help, Pikwik Pack.
Bye, Tully.
The road's all clear. Let's get in gear.
Wow, Axel. Your truck really is super strong. It really can tow anything.
Uh-huh. And go anywhere.
Even over those big hills?
Of course. Hang on, team.
Woohoo! Yay! Awesome!
My truck is excellent.
Something wrong?
Of course not. I mean, I don't think so. Oh, no! I forgot to put the fan back in the engine, and now it's too hot.
How are we gonna deliver the package now?
Howdy, Pikwik Pack.
Farmer Francis!
Having some truck trouble, I see.
We were making a delivery.
And then my truck stopped working.
We need to get to the Wonderwoods, and fast.
Well, you sure got a long way to go, and that package looks mighty heavy. You're welcome to borrow old Blue here.
Are you sure it can get us there? It looks kind of, old. And rusty.
Might not look like much, but old Blue will take you anywhere you need to go.
It's our only choice, Axel.
And driving a tractor is just like driving a truck, right?
I guess so.
My birthday delivery. It's my birthday wishes. Eee! Taco truck! Taco truck! One extra special birthday taco, please.
You got it. One birthday taco coming up.
Happy birthday, Hazel.
Make a wish.
Thanks. Exactly what I wished for.
We'll take 3 tacos.
Come on, everybody. My next wish is the Splish Splash water slide. Let's go!
Sure thing, Hazel.
Whatever you want on your birthday.
Water slide! Water slide!
I can't wait. I love water slides.
That was so fun! Next wish, Bubble Springs!
Hazel sure is excited about her birthday wishes.
Come on, come on! The Bubble Springs are waiting!
Okay, Hazel. Let's get in gear.
Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles!
We can come up with a trick that out-tricks the trickster. Axel, I need your truck. And we need wrapping paper. Lots of it. Let's go, go, go!
And done!
Oh, hello there. Don't mind us. We just have another delivery to make.
A bigger, better delivery.
All right, everyone. Hang on.
Okay, time for step 2. Now!
Oh, heavens me! We have lost the package.
And my truck has broken down.
Gasp! Whatever shall we do?
He's going for the package. Now, Axel.
Enjoy your special delivery!
Green means go. Green is fast. We'll be first and you'll be last. Quick, we need to think of something.
I still know a secret path we can take.
Great! Let's go, go, go! Team Red's catching up again. They really are going fast.
Then we'll just have to go an even shorter, faster way.
This is your secret path?
Yup. Cactus Canyon.
You've driven through this before, right?
Nope, never. But it's the fastest way to the windmill for sure.
I don't know, Axel. This doesn't look like a good idea.
You want Team Red to win, don't you?
I do, but...
Well, this is the only way we can catch up to Team Green.
Okay, whatever it takes. Let's go, Team Red!
Excellent.
Tibor, are you sure this is the best way to go?
Totally sure. We are on track to win.
Okay, in that case, green means go, green is fast. Let's hurry up or we'll be last. Ah!
Ouch!
Ouch!
Ah! We made it. Who cares about a few cactus needles, huh, Suki?
Whatever it takes to win. And we're ahead of Team Green.
Yes, we're gonna win.
Huh? What's wrong?
No, our tires are totally flat.
Looks like Team Red is out of the race.
Go, Green, go! We're the best team.